It's rich, caramel-like, and all-natural. Maple syrup comes mostly from Canada, with Quebec producing 70% of the world's supply. This is how it's made. During the late winter period, typically spanning from late February to early April, sugar and red maple trees are carefully selected by producers for tapping. These trees must be at least 40 years old and have a trunk diameter of approximately 10 to 12 inches to ensure sufficient sap production. Producers then drill small holes into the trunks and insert spouts and taps, which allow the sap to flow out. This can be collected in two ways, using buckets hung on each tap or through a network of plastic tubing that connects multiple trees. This tubing system transports the sap directly to a central storage tank at a sugar house. The raw sap, containing approximately 2% sugar, undergoes a filtration process where it is pumped through a semi-permeable membrane, utilizing high pressure. This technique, known as reverse osmosis, isolates water from the sugars and any impurities present in the sap, resulting in a concentrated liquid with a sugar content increasing to as much as 12%. The concentrated sap is then transferred to an evaporator, where it is boiled to remove excess water content. As it boils and reaches a temperature of about 104 degrees Celsius, it indicates that it has reached the right density, around 66% sugar content, necessary for syrup. Once the syrup has been boiled down to the desired thickness and flavor, workers add diatomaceous earth into the syrup to eliminate impurities. This natural powder originates from the fossilized remains of microscopic aquatic organisms known as diatoms. The powder binds to any residual particles and impurities responsible for turbidity. The mixture is then pushed through a filter press where the syrup is separated from the diatomaceous earth, along with all the impurities it has collected. A small sample of syrup is extracted, and a dipstick is then carefully inserted into it to confirm that the syrup has attained the requisite sugar concentration while simultaneously preserving a uniform texture. Empty gallon containers are aligned beneath the dispensing nozzle of the filling apparatus. The machine dispenses a precise amount of hot syrup into each container. Then they are promptly sealed while retaining their elevated temperature, a critical step that initiates a vacuum seal, which is essential for maintaining the integrity of both freshness and flavor. Operators check for the quality of the syrup prior to transferring it to the packaging area. Sorted glass bottles are loaded onto an automated conveyor system, which transports them to a high-capacity washing machine. This machine employs high-pressure jets of water and food-safe detergents. This process guarantees that each bottle undergoes a thorough cleaning process before proceeding to the filling stage. The cleaned bottles are conveyed along a mechanical transport system to the filling machine, which is calibrated to dispense a specific volume of syrup into each bottle. As they reach the filling station, they are positioned under nozzles that dispense hot syrup directly into them. Sensors monitor the fill levels in each bottle to prevent overfilling or underfilling. ensuring that each bottle contains the correct amount of syrup. The filled bottles are transported to the capping station, where workers manually align the cap with the bottle's opening. This process is essential, as it ensures that the cap is properly fitted and remains centered over the neck of the bottle. Following this, the arranged bottles are introduced into a capping machine, wherein each bottle is positioned beneath a capping head that exerts downward pressure, thereby securing the cap onto the neck of the bottle. An alternative way for packaging maple syrup involves the use of plastic bottles. Upon the completion of filling these bottles with the prepared syrup, automated laser sensors are employed to accurately assess the fill level of the syrup within each individual bottle. By precisely measuring the distance from the upper rim of the bottle to the surface of the syrup, these sensors guarantee that each bottle is filled to the appropriate level. The filled bottles are then transferred to an automated capping system, and bottles flagged as defective are diverted from the main conveyor belt for further processing or inspection. The bottles are transported to an automated labeling machine, which is contingent upon the specific shape of the bottles in question. For cylindrical bottles, labels are wrapped around the entire bottle, while some machines apply separate labels to the front and back of the bottle simultaneously. Finally, workers and automated systems carefully place the labeled bottles into the boxes. Each box is filled according to predetermined configurations, making sure that the bottles are arranged securely to prevent movement. Each box is sealed with adhesive tape or glued shut to keep the contents secure. Once this process is complete, the finished maple product is prepared for distribution to the market. Its smooth texture and all-natural production make it a versatile, authentic addition to pancakes, waffles, and desserts. If you enjoy watching food production lines in action, be sure to check out our upcoming videos here for an inside look at how your favorite treats are made.